Hello everybody, today we're gonna do the 2 times spicy noodle challenge. Are you ready? The rule is no
water,
no juice, no time limit.
Yeah, no time limit.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Not really?
I'm ready.
I'm not ready. I'm scared. Okay.
First one's pretty good. Not bad. Oh, now it is. Oh my lord. That's so good though.
It's very spicy.
Oh
My
my
lips
god.
are burning.
It tastes good at first, and then the spice hits you later. Jula.
I feel like I'm gonna cry.
Oh, that's so spicy. Oh, my back is hurting. Oh, that's too good. Oh, keep going.
It hurts so good. Like a Ramsey said, it hurts so good.
It hurts so good. Oh.
I'm crying. I don't know why.
Oh. Ow. Oh, it's good. Oh, that was ready. Have some Cajun lips. Oh, God.
Maybe we should just pop one back.
Oh, yeah. That's the way about you. Oh, now it's hitting hard. Oh my gosh. I'm seriously cramping right now. Oh my lord. Oh, I can't laugh because I'm cramping.
Time your contraction.
Yeah, oh, I gotta finish it for you.
Oh, jikuyo.
Oh yeah.
What kind of knot?
어제 그 주먹 받았니 또? I think he died. I feel like a little. That air feels good.
You're awesome. I don't think I can do it. I forced it. I have this much love. I quit. It's too spicy.
I'm gonna power through it.
Go, Frank, go. 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 Oh, he finished. Look at him. He's all sweaty.
Oh, I'm never supposed to watch my life. Look at my Kylie Jenner lips.
That's the 2 times spicy noodle challenge for you. The winner. That was spicy noodle challenge for you. He's all sweaty. It was like running down his face and neck. It's crazy. That was really spicy. Yep. It does not look right at all.
I don't care.